Hey everyone, today we are checking out the powerful Mast Fold2 Pro wireless tattoo machine for professional artists. This versatile pen features 7 adjustable stroke lengths ranging from 2.4 to 4.2 millimeters. The advanced Mcore C1 motor provides exceptional power to glide through thick skin without any snagging or pulling. You get 2 replaceable 2,000 mAh batteries that offer up to 7 hours of stable work. A clear OLED display shows your settings while you adjust the voltage from 4 to 12 volts easily. This machine handles everything from soft black and gray shading to bold lining and heavy color packing effortlessly. Experience total creative freedom and professional performance with this innovative and reliable cordless tattoo tool today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.